Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is listen to life. We have one mouth, but we have two ears for a reason. This is the season to listen as you take your nature walks, as you have your prayer life, as you develop your meditation life. I want you to listen. I want you to look at signs. If you had deja vu, if you've seen synchronicities, learn these things. Figure out what the world and what the universe is trying to tell you. I'm attentive to the world that is around me. Are you looking at all the signs? Are you seeing how your life is changing? Signs and symbols guide me to success. Have you been seeing synchronicities? 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777. This is the language of the universe. The universe speaks within numbers. We speak with English, Spanish, Korean, Portuguese, French. The universe, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, their language is numbers, numerology. So when you see these triple digits, these double digits, these quadruple digits, these repeating digits, think of what's on your mind at that time and ask Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, what message are you trying to teach me right now? I'm all ears. I listen and discover my way to the eternal, which leads you into your blessings and breakthroughs. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.